If you've ever envisioned starting your own online business but felt held back by the complexities of inventory management, storage costs, or logistical challenges, you're in the right place. Dropshipping is a game-changing retail fulfillment method that empowers you to launch an online store without the need to hold any physical inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Imagine having the freedom to offer a wide array of products to your customers without worrying about stocking items or handling shipping logistics. This model is perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs eager to dive into the e-commerce world with minimal upfront investment and reduced financial risk. You can operate your business from anywhere, whether that's your home office, a cozy coffee shop, or while traveling the world. In today's video, we'll explore the ins and outs of dropshipping. We'll start by understanding how it works and the benefits it offers. Then, we'll guide you through selecting the perfect niche that aligns with both your interests and market demand. We'll introduce you to Zendrop, a powerful tool designed to streamline the dropshipping process, connecting you with reliable suppliers and automating key aspects of your business. We'll walk you through setting up your online store using Shopify, crafting effective marketing strategies to attract and retain customers, and managing orders with exceptional customer service to build a reputable brand. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch and grow your own successful dropshipping business. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Let's delve deeper into how dropshipping works. When you set up an online store, you showcase products that you source from suppliers. However, unlike traditional retail models, you don't purchase inventory upfront. Instead, you partner with suppliers who agree to fulfill orders on your behalf. When a customer makes a purchase, you collect the payment and then forward the order details to your supplier. The supplier then packages and ships the product directly to your customer. You earn the difference between the retail price you've set and the wholesale price from the supplier. This model significantly lowers the barriers to entry in e-commerce. There's no need to invest heavily in inventory, no worries about unsold stock, and no logistical headaches associated with warehousing and shipping. It allows you to focus on marketing, customer service, and scaling your business. Now, you might be wondering about the challenges of finding trustworthy suppliers, managing orders efficiently, and ensuring customer satisfaction. That's where tools like Zendrop come into play. Zendrop is a comprehensive dropshipping platform that connects you with reliable suppliers, automates order fulfillment, and provides a suite of features designed to simplify your operations. We'll explore Zendrop in detail later in the video. Choosing the right niche is a critical step in building a successful dropshipping business. A niche is essentially a focused segment of the market that caters to a specific audience with specific needs. By honing in on a niche, you can tailor your products and marketing efforts to resonate deeply with your target customers. Start by reflecting on your own interests and passions. Are you enthusiastic about health and wellness, technology, fashion, or perhaps outdoor adventures? Running a business aligned with your interests not only keeps you motivated, but also gives you valuable insights into your customers' needs and preferences. Next, assess the market demand for potential niches. Utilize tools like Google Trends to gauge the popularity of certain products or topics over time. For instance, if you notice a steady increase in searches for home fitness equipment, that could indicate a growing market. Additionally, explore social media platforms and online communities to see what people are talking about and which products are generating buzz. It's also important to analyze the competition within your chosen niche. A niche with too much competition might be saturated, making it harder to stand out. Conversely, a niche with little to no competition could indicate low demand. Strive to find a balance. A niche with healthy demand but manageable competition. Zendrop can be an invaluable resource in this research phase. Their platform provides insights into trending products and bestsellers across various categories. By exploring Zendrop's product catalog, you can identify items that are popular among consumers and assess their potential profitability. For example, if you're considering the fitness niche, you might find that certain types of resistance bands or smart fitness watches are in high demand. Remember, the goal is to find a niche that not only excites you, but also offers strong market potential. This alignment will set the foundation for your marketing strategies and overall business growth. Now, with your niche selected and suppliers lined up through Zendrop, it's time to set up your online store. We'll be using Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform known for its ease of use and robust features. Begin by visiting Shopify's website and signing up for an account. They offer a free trial period, allowing you to explore the platform without immediate commitment. Once registered, you'll be guided through an initial setup process where you can enter your store's name and basic information. Next, you'll choose a theme for your store. Shopify's theme store offers a variety of free and premium themes designed for different industries and styles. Select a theme that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and provides a user-friendly experience for your customers. Remember, first impressions matter, so opt for a clean, professional design that's also mobile responsive. After selecting your theme, you can customize it to reflect your brand's identity. Upload your logo, choose color schemes that match your branding, and adjust the layout to highlight key products or promotions. Customize your homepage to showcase featured products, bestsellers, or new arrivals. Ensure that navigation menus are intuitive, making it easy for customers to find what they're looking for. Now, let's integrate Zendrop with your Shopify store. In your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section and search for Zendrop. Install the app and follow the prompts to connect your Zendrop account. This integration allows for seamless product importation and order synchronization between the two platforms. With Zendrop connected, you can start importing products. Return to Zendrop and browse through the product catalog within your chosen niche. When you find products you'd like to sell, add them to your import list. Before importing them to your store, take the time to customize each product's details. Edit product titles to make them catchy and SEO-friendly. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight features and benefits, and upload high-quality images that showcase the products from multiple angles. Setting the right pricing is also crucial. Consider the wholesale cost from the supplier, factor in your desired profit margins, and research competitor pricing to ensure your products are competitively priced. Once your products are imported, set up payment gateways so you can accept payments from customers. Shopify supports various payment options, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and Stripe. Choose the ones that are most convenient for you and your target customers. Don't forget to configure your shipping settings. Since Zendrop handles shipping, you might opt to offer free shipping to your customers, incorporating shipping costs into your product pricing. Alternatively, you can set flat shipping rates or offer expedited shipping options at an additional cost. Lastly, create essential pages for your store, such as About Us, Contact Us, FAQ, and policy pages for shipping, returns, and privacy. These pages build trust with customers by providing transparency and demonstrating professionalism. Before launching, thoroughly test your store. Navigate through it as a customer would. Place test orders and ensure that everything functions smoothly. Pay attention to the checkout process, mobile responsiveness, and overall user experience. By carefully setting up your Shopify store and integrating it with Zendrop, you're creating a solid foundation for your dropshipping business. Marketing is the lifeblood of your dropshipping business. With your store ready, it's time to attract visitors and convert them into customers. There are several effective strategies you can employ to promote your store. Social media advertising is a powerful tool. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer sophisticated advertising options that allow you to target specific demographics based on interests, behaviors, and locations. Create engaging ads that feature eye-catching visuals and compelling copy. For example, if you're selling innovative kitchen gadgets, showcase how your products make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Influencer partnerships can also amplify your reach. Identify influencers within your niche who have a loyal following. Collaborating with them can help you tap into their audience. Reach out with a personalized message, proposing a partnership where they feature your products in exchange for free items, commission, or a flat fee. Ensure that any partnerships align with your brand values and that the influencer's audience matches your target market. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to engage with potential and existing customers. Offer incentives such as a discount code or free ebook in exchange for signing up for your newsletter. Send regular emails with valuable content, product updates, and exclusive promotions to nurture your subscribers and encourage repeat purchases. Leverage Zendrop's marketing tools to enhance your efforts. They provide high-quality product images and descriptions that you can use in your promotions. Additionally, Zendrop's integration with Facebook allows you to sync your product catalog, making it easier to run dynamic ads featuring your products. Always monitor the performance of your marketing campaigns. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel to track website traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. This data helps you refine your strategies, focusing on what's working and adjusting what's not. Remember, effective marketing is about reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. Be consistent, test different approaches, and stay engaged with your audience. Managing orders efficiently and providing excellent customer service are key to building a reputable brand and encouraging repeat business. With Zendrop's automated order fulfillment, when a customer places an order on your Shopify store, the order details are automatically forwarded to Zendrop. The supplier then processes the order, ships the product directly to the customer, and updates tracking information. You can monitor the status of all orders through the Zendrop dashboard, giving you visibility without the need to handle the logistics yourself. Communication is vital in maintaining customer satisfaction. As we reach the conclusion of our guide, let's recap the journey we've taken together. Dropshipping offers an accessible pathway to starting your own online business with minimal financial risk. By carefully choosing a niche that aligns with your passions and market demand, you lay the groundwork for a business that is both enjoyable and profitable. Utilizing Zendrop simplifies the often complex process of sourcing products and managing suppliers. Their platform provides you with reliable suppliers, faster shipping options, and automation tools that save you time and effort. Setting up a professional and user-friendly online store through Shopify allows you to present your products effectively and provides customers with a seamless shopping experience. Coupling this with strategic marketing efforts helps you attract and retain customers in a competitive online marketplace. Remember, the key to success in dropshipping or any business: stay informed about industry trends, continually test and refine your strategies, and always prioritize providing value to your customers. If you're ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey, there's no better time to start than now. Take the first step by signing up for Zendrop and setting up your Shopify store. Each step you take brings you closer to achieving your business goals. We hope this guide has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to begin your dropshipping venture. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth guides and tips on making money online. We'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you might have, so feel free to leave a comment below. Best of luck on your dropshipping journey.